Warmful good morning to one and all present over here. My name is Kajal Agnihotri and I am a student of Oasis 360. So today I will share my experience at Oasis, how I feel. Today I have completed my 4th month. Now I will share my first day experience and now how I will build my confidence here. So when I was around of November month or October, I was searching for English spoken classes and I was searched at MLB Colony, where now is our second branch of Oasis 360. And after that I will not take the admissions. I don't know because I do not like the environment of that coaching center, because they are using the very stereotypic way like grammar and noun pronoun, which I do not need to learn that. I have arrived to my home, and after 3-4 days ago I saw the banner of Oasis 360 near my home, and I clicked the picture of that banner and I came back to my home. Then I called to Vivek sir and I talked to him, and he gives me the information and said that come to the Oasis, and he was sharing his experience. While talking with them, I was so hesitant and nervous while talking with him. But while talking to him, I saw the lot of awards here, and he has a lot of experience also, and also worked at corporate sectors and IT sectors also. And so I think that I should take the admission. When I came here, only 3-4 students are there. So I think that how will I indulge in this environment? So starting days were very difficult, but I should take that. I take the admissions and I continued my classes. My first day when I entered from the door, my class was start with the word ajar the door and lecture the door. I remember that. And one most important thing is that in Oasis 360 there is a very unique style of teaching. Vivek sir teaches very in different way, because he just connect the dots. We are not decided any particular topic that what we learn in the next day, and our topic was very random. We are just connecting the dot, and it was cover all the things. Either it is current affairs. Also learn a lot of things here, and apart from studies we also do some mini parties, and the motive of this party is to close with each other, not to impress of others. And I never see any institute like Oasis is there. And I also make a strong bond with one of each member of the Oasis. Because I saw many institutes, but I have only just 3, 4, 5, 6 friends, but and I will not talk to everyone. But here I have a strong bond with each one member of the Oasis family. And I saw a visible change in me, and it is also beneficial, because before 3-4 days I give my viva to my externals at KRG, and I am very confidently speak in front of him, and I back to my home and I will share with Vivek sir also, because credit goes to him. So thank you all.